Welcome networkers. In this video, we will look at the introduction to network automation and why so important for network engineers. Network automation is a process of automating a computer network's configuration, management, and operations. The tasks that were usually done by the network or system administrator can be automated using several tools and technologies. Scripting languages are widely used by network engineers and system administrators for automating tasks. This saves time and effort and thereby reduces human errors as well. Among the automation tools, Python and Ansible are the most popular ones. With software-defined networking, SDN, in the picture, knowing any of these programming languages is vital for the future of administering the network and systems. There is a significant change in the networking industry which is driving networking engineers and organizations to adopt the concepts and ideas of network programmability and automation. To cater for the need for organizational competitiveness, it is highly recommended that networking professionals learn the scripting languages and protocols as required for a new skill set. Python and automation. Python language was developed by Guido van Rossum. Python has become a scripting language choice for network engineers to automate their tasks. Python is an easy-to-learn, powerful programming language. It has efficient high-level data structures and a simple but effective approach to object-oriented programming. Python's neat syntax and dynamic typing, together with its interpreted nature, make it an ideal language for scripting and application development in many areas on most platforms. Why learn programming? Network engineering is changing. As a network engineer, there has never been a better time for you to learn programming to automate networks and write code. In the late 90s to 2010, a network engineer typed in the same CLI commands hundreds/thousands of times to configure and troubleshoot network devices. We have seen improvements from network vendors, but also in the open source tooling that is available to use for automating the network. For example, there are now network devices APIs and community-supported Python libraries, and freely available open-source tools that give you and every other network engineer access to a growing environment to start up your network automation journey. Such as, Cisco DevNet is Cisco's developer program to help developers and IT professionals who want to write applications and develop integrations with Cisco products, platforms, and APIs. This means that you have to write less code than you would have in the past, and less code means faster development and fewer bugs, so networkers think learning the basics of any programming language is valuable. Such as Python programming language. Some key skills to why learn to program. An essential ability to improve proficiencies. Programming to simplify or automate tasks. Knowing a programming language can come in handy. Manages network more efficiently. Software defines networking. Vendors heading towards software-based operations. That's the end of this intro. If you like the video, like it and please subscribe to my channel for the next tutorials.